Hello and welcome to our Python journey on mastering Python in 30 days. And today we are diving into the fascinating world of Python functions. Remember, we have looked at data types, we have looked at control flows and conditional statements, and we have looked at a few data structures like lists. At this point, we want to look at functions. So functions are like valuable helpers that make our code more organized and efficient. They allow us to break down complex tasks into smaller, manageable parts. Let's embark on this journey and explore the interesting realm of Python functions. In Python, functions are like mini programs within our main program. They have names and can perform specific tasks whenever we call them. Let me show you some example. In this code, we have created a function named factorial using the def keyword. This function uses recursion, a powerful technique where a function calls itself to calculate the factorial of the number n. Now we have just introduced a new thing called recursion. You can take note of it. Now let's see the function in action. You look at this code and that calls the factorial function with the number 5. When we run this code, it will display the result. The factorial of 5 is 120, and you can see it in this demo. Let's look at parameters. Functions can take inputs, just like when you receive an item, and these inputs are what we call parameters. Imagine we want to create a function to calculate the area of a rectangle. Let's create the calculate area function. In this code, we have created a function named calculate area that takes length and width as parameters. The function uses these parameters to calculate and return the area of the rectangle. We can see it in demonstration. You see, with functions, we can perform amazing things and create more organized and reusable code. But remember, the real magic happens when we practice and experiment with these powerful tools. So you saw, when we ran this code, it displayed the result. The area of the rectangle is 70. Now here comes an exciting challenge for you. Your challenge is to create a function called calculate volume that calculates the volume of a rectangular prism. The function should take 3 parameters: length, width, and height. Inside the function, use these parameters to calculate and return the volume. When you finish this challenge, in the description below, we have attached a solution. You can click it to confirm that you did the right thing. That concludes our episode on Python functions. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any future episode.